everybody, welcome back to our show. So it is a Sunday and I usually do the weekly performance review on either Saturday or Sunday. So I'm here on a Sunday to give you a weekly performance of what happened. That is the last week, 27th May. So this is our website, Watanabeshow.in. If you go to this website and click and come scroll down, so you will get the trading journal. So these are all our trades, and every time all the weekly consolidated report also will be updated. If you want to edit this, you need to make a copy. That is what I have also done. So this is the copy of everything. So to start off, let me mention that last week we cleared off major losses on a book that was OTM calls for June, and we rolled that over. So this is the row. This is the minus 26,000 is what we booked, and around 12,000 rupees is what we booked on the last week. So giving a heads up for that, let's go to our weekly consolidated report. So last week, what happened in Nifty was Nifty was up around, the market in general was up around 2%. But because, like I mentioned, we cleared out major losses. That is the reason why we were down around 7%. But overall, for the financial year, we're down only by 7%. So this is...
No, we are down 17% versus 8% of Nifty.
Yeah, thank you so much for that, Kora. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Apart from that, the number of trades that we took last week were 24 and we won 12 trades. I'm sure by the next week or something, not sure, hoping that we'll be positive by the end of next week or so, because we have cleared out all our major losses. We have rolled over. Yeah, that is a gist of everything. So if you guys also want to check it out, you can go ahead and check all of our trades. Apart from that, a weekly consolidated report, I'll be there to give you every week. Yeah, so tune back again.
Go to the cash market.
Oh, yes. I forgot to mention our cash market. It is showing that we're down by 9%. So let's look at our back office. So this is our back office, a SaaS back office, where all our reports are seen. So we are down about 7,000 rupees. I think, yes. We're down about...
If you can scroll down a little bit.
Yeah. About 7,000 rupees. So our invested value was around 81,000. Now we are about 74,600. So this is our back office also. This is for our cash market report. Yeah. And this is our YouTube channel. So all my performance review videos will be in this playlist. And we have our IPO playlist also here. And in education part, we have asset allocation webinars. So check that also out. And have a great weekend. Come back to us every day on Monday to Friday for the normal shows. And Sunday or Saturday, I will be here to give you a weekly performance review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a good day.